What's going on this world? MacBook X Pro 2009 is, I think, one of the best laptop for this new year. It's February, it's about to end, but I think I'm gonna love this new MateBook X Pro 2009. Way back 2012, I switched from Windows to Mac because I love how Mac or Apple use the iPhone, the iPad, and the MacBook. And I think 2009, I think I'm gonna fall in love to Windows again because of what Huawei doing in the industry of technology. First, Mate 20 Pro, and now this year, MateBook X Pro. I think one of the best. Here are the video and the changes.
Gone is the big Huawei logo with its flower design on it. Instead, it's been replaced with just Huawei.
I like that. And it has an MX220 discrete graphics. I think I'm gonna love this laptop because of this. And I think that can solve my video editing on my MacBook because I'm switching back from Final Cut Pro, from Vegas, and from DaVinci to Premiere. And here we go, we have two USB-C ports and it has a fingerprint sensor. And of course, we are in the Philippines and we love that USB-A port, of course. And Huawei share.
They're making it
Look at
possible
that.
for MateBooks and Huawei phones to work together
Oh
better.
my.
Take for example sending files back and forth. Now all you have to do is just tap your phone on the laptop and the photo magically transfers over. Like magic, right? You can transfer 500 images a minute and it supports other files like PDFs and Office documents.
And not only that, it has the same charger of your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So you only bring one charger. I just can't believe this. And I'm really sold out. Okay? I am really sold out. I'm going to buy this product.
Start at $1,200 and go all the way up to about $1,500 for the high-end model.
Guys, I think I'm sold out. I'm gonna buy this really laptop maybe a month. I'm going to save for this. And so what for this camera? I like that kind of camera instead of there in the top. I like that camera in the bottom. Who cares? Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my video.